你好, welcome to 1 Minute Chinese. 1 minute a day makes your Chinese great. In this lesson, we will talk about the final wen. When you see the English letter UN in Pinyin, the pronunciation is wen. It's a combination of the Mandarin Chinese u and n sound. Say wen. First, say the double O sound in food. Then say n as in the English word token immediately. Say wen. Your lips are from round to spread. And be careful. Wen in Chinese is pronounced differently from the when in the English name Wendy. Say wen. Now mimic the mouth shape in the video carefully and repeat after it. UN, 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 when. When the final wen is not following an initial or consonant, it is spelled as WEN. Wen is warm in Chinese. Let's combine the initial, c, the final, wen, and high-pitched first tone all together. Ci, wen, cun. Repeat after me. Ci, wen, cun, 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 cun. Cun is village in Chinese. Let's combine the initial, ci, the final, wen, and high-pitched first tone all together. Si, wen, sun. Repeat after me. Si, wen, sun. Sun, sun, sun. Sun is a Chinese surname. Question. When you see UN first tone and WEN first tone in Pinyin, how would you pronounce them? The answer is wen. Are there any topics that you're interested in learning Chinese? Feel free to comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. 1 minute Chinese a day makes your Chinese great. Have a blessed day.